Everyday hustle like William. Yeah. Everyday hustle like William. I'm charging the chicken just for the verse. Yeah. I get in that kitchen, I cook, go to work. I go berserk. Yeah.
What's your typical work day like?
It is like in the morning, we go get the groceries, come, clean, and start the shifts. Till like 6, till 12. Yeah.
What inspired you to open a food truck?
So basically the lack of cuisine, the Karachi cuisine, that was lacking in our, like the Houston area. So that was the inspiration behind like opening a food truck consisting of Karachi street food. For the first time customer, I must recommend you the bun kebab. If you're like from Karachi or have tried the Karachi bun kebab, you should try that.
Yeah, I've tried the
Exactly, that's what we have here.
What's the biggest challenge you face so far?
The biggest challenge, the compact space and the flow of order. That's a big thing.
Do you make everything from scratch?
Typically like 80 to 90% of stuff are from scratch rather than the ketchup and stuff, yeah, of course. So this is Houston Chaiwala, and you guys should come here and visit with your families and friends. I'll see you guys. Bye.